So imagine waking up one morning and then you rush to your YouTube studio to check out your analytics and you find out that your watch hours are gone, like they are lower than the way they were yesterday. There is no warning from YouTube, but your watch hours is just gone. I know your mind will start wondering what is going on. Is my channel broken? Is YouTube punishing me or something? A lot of questions are just running through your mind, right? Now, most of the time, it's not really about punishment. Okay, there are some things that you do to your channel unintentionally and even intentionally that can actually cause a drop in watch hours, right? If your watch hours is dropping, it's not really good for your channel. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you the major reasons why your watch hours can actually drop drastically, and including some reasons that YouTube does not really clearly explain, and more importantly, exactly what you can do to actually fix this problem, because it's a problem, right? I'm going to teach you how to fix it fast. So if I were you, I would say to the end of this video, because the last reason I'm going to be mentioning in this video is what most creators never try at. And surprisingly, it actually works a lot. So if it's your first time seeing me, my name is Joy. On this channel, I teach about YouTube tips and how to grow your channel. I also share editing tips. So do well by joining this family. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and as well as share so that others can actually learn from this video, because we grow by learning every day, right? Now, first of all, I would like to show you how to check your actual watch hours, okay? You see that watch hours you see in your dashboard? That is not your real watch hour, okay? That's just like a present analytics that is ongoing in your channel, right? The main watch hours you should be worried about is the one in the end section. That is your actual watch hours. That's what you complete 4,000 watch hours or the 10 million views from shorts in the last 90 days and 365 days respectively, okay? So now that we have that out of the way, let's go straight to the first reason. Now, the first reason why your watch hours might be dropping is if you have finally gotten to that 12-month rolling watch hour period, right? Now, this is common, but a lot of people actually misunderstand this. You know, YouTube gives every creator 365 days to complete 4,000 watch hours. So imagine you have finally elapsed that days and you don't get that 4,000 watch hours, right? Now, YouTube does not count the lifetime watch hours in your channel. It doesn't count over the last year's watch hours. What does YouTube do? It counts only 12 months watch hours, like the last 12 months. Do you understand? So if your video you posted like 12 months ago performed very well, and imagine today I actually made it exactly 365 days, which is equivalent to 1 year, then those watch hours you got before that today will quietly expire. It will become irrelevant to YouTube. YouTube has actually finished with that particular phase of your video. That one is gone already forever. So if this is why your watch hours is reducing, then nothing is wrong with your channel. Do you understand? It just means you have actually lost old watch hours or old watch time. So in order for you to fix this problem, just keep uploading consistently. Upload long form videos so I can bringing in fresh views for you. Okay, don't post shorts. Shorts cannot actually help you right here. Do you understand? It's that you do long form videos or live streams. That is what can actually help you retain your watch hours after that 12-month rolling period. Now, the second thing is deleted videos, right? If you delete your videos, what it does is that it removes your watch hours forever. And that's why we tell you not to delete any videos from your channel, because it actually hurts your channel more than you see, right? Every single watch hours that you've gotten on that video will be deleted. It disappears instantly. If it was that watch hours that has helped you reach monetization before, and then you went ahead to delete that video, there's no recovery. It's gone. That watch hour is gone, and that's a big problem. It will affect your channel. Do you understand? Now, in order for you to fix this problem, if your video is not violating any policy at all or whatsoever, please don't delete it. No matter how bad or how good that video is, just leave it there. If you don't want it public, just make it unlisted or private. Leave it there like that. Now, the third reason why your watch hours is reducing is unlisted or private videos, right? These ones don't really count. Even if that video has 4,000 watch hours, right? The moment you unlist it, that watch hour stops counting because it's no longer public. And YouTube made it known that only public videos or videos from public watch hours that have public watch hours, they are the ones that are eligible for monetization. Do you understand? And that's the one they're going to be paying you for. So watch hours from private videos or unlisted videos do not really count. It doesn't count, guys. It doesn't count towards monetization or your watch time. So if you change the visibility of your video, just know that that watch hour is also gone. It's going to drop from your analytics. That can actually explain the drop in your watch hours because YouTube is going to deduct it. Do you understand? Now, how do you fix this problem? Only public long form videos actually count towards monetization and watch hours. So make sure your videos are always set to public. Always double check your visibility to ensure that all your videos are on public and not unlisted. Do you understand? The fourth reason why your watch hours is dropping is ineligible or limited videos. Now, not all videos are eligible for monetization or watch hours, right? YouTube is very careful and selective. YouTube wants only organic things and they are very serious about it. You see videos with reused content, copyright claims, or all these slideshow kind of videos that you just compacted without impact. You just combined everything together without impact. They are not eligible for watch hours or monetization. Even though they may get views, but their watch time may not fully count. Do you understand? Now, how do you feel this kind of problem? Focus on original commentary. Focus on originality, editing. Do you understand? Proper editing that can actually make it yours. Focus on original content created by yourself. Let everything be by yourself. Even if that video is not yours, make sure you transform it a lot. If not, don't rely on that video because it's not going to help you. Now, the fifth reason why your watch hour is dropping is if you bought watch hours or artificial traffic. Guys, this one is very, very hurtful for your channel. Now, because a lot of creators are so eager to get 4,000 watch hours, most of you do a lot of things to your channel, both untold things like if you are going to all these exchange group, grow host groups, sub for sub groups to share your videos or to buy watch hours, all these bots or click farm watch hour generation, YouTube will definitely remove those watch hours. They know it's their platform. They know the original ones, that is the organic ones. Even if they don't remove it now, sometimes it can take weeks, months, but YouTube will definitely remove those watch hours from your channel. Because when you submit it for monetization review, they check everything, how you got to where you are presently, or how you met the monetization requirements or the threshold. Do you understand? And that is why some people see sudden drops in their watch hours, because YouTube eventually found out about what they did. So in order to fix this problem, never buy watch hours, please. It might be frustrating to be on YouTube. It's like that for everybody. But never buy watch hours. Do it by the book and build your watch hours organically. Do it by posting content that people watch. Even if it's 10 views, 20 views, or 100 views you are getting, it's better because there's no safe shortcut on YouTube. Everything is by the book. Now, the next reason why your watch hour is reducing is delayed data analytics or data processing. YouTube analytics or assessment actually takes time. YouTube updates always take time. It doesn't happen real time. Okay, watch hours usually update later. 24 hours, 48 hours, even as long as 72 hours. Do you understand? They will calculate and check and before they now drop it in your analytics. So if you don't see it immediately, don't think it's reducing. It is not reducing. It's actually being calculated and sorted out properly. Do you understand? Especially when your videos got very high traffic, YouTube takes time to actually process everything and make sure they are very correct about what they are giving you or the conclusion on your watch hours, right? So if you see that your watch hours have not dropped in 24 hours or 48 hours, just hold on. This usually happens with live stream a lot. So in order to fix this problem, wait for 24 to 72 hours before you start having panics, okay? Because most usually drop within that time frame. Now, the next reason is copyright strike or policy issues. If your channel has an active policy issue or copyright strike or community guideline violation, YouTube may freeze your eligible watch hours. Do you understand? So it's best you don't get strikes, because if your video, even if your video is visible, YouTube will still freeze the watch hours from that video. Do you understand? Now, how do you fix this? Resolve the strike first. It's better you don't have any strike, but if maybe you got strike by one means or the other, then it's advisable to resolve the strike first. Do not apply for monetization with an active strike or anything concerning policies issues at all. Do you understand? Now, the next reason is channel suspension or partial restrictions. Now, if your channel is partially suspended or is under review or restricted in some regions or just suspended in one way or the other, watch hours may stop counting correctly, guys. This one is not so rampant, but it definitely happens to most creators, okay? And I decided to add this to the list, right? How do you fix this problem? You can check your email that is linked to your YouTube channel. Review your channel status in the YouTube studio in the end section and see what it's telling you about your channel. You can even use the YouTube dashboard to check, okay? And just hold on for the subsession to also elapse as well. Now, the next reason why your watch hour is dropping is if you have low audience on new video, like your audience retention is dropping, right? Your previous video might be very good with views, and if the new ones are not getting views, right? If your recent ones are being clicked, they're not getting views, they're not getting retention, YouTube will reduce distribution. I've told you before, getting people to click your video is one thing, but getting them to continue watching is another thing. So if people click your videos and they don't watch for long, YouTube will definitely reduce your distribution. So if you have fewer distributions or lower impressions on your video, your watch hours will definitely drop. It's a normal thing. It's only when you have more views that you will have a lot of watch hours, right? If you have low views or low distribution, it will be equals low watch hours. Do you understand? So in this situation, how you can fix it is to watch on stronger hook. Open your videos in a very good way that people can actually stay. Have clearer titles, good thumbnails to drag views and get people to actually stay after clicking your videos, because retention is what drags watch hours on YouTube. It drags it to your channel. Do you understand? And now another reason why your watch hours might be reducing is because you are checking the wrong side. I already showed you at the beginning of this video where to check. The ones you see on your analytics, those ones are just within 28 days. How your is like the activity on your channel, how you've been posting and how YouTube has been recording it. If you drop your posting, like you reduce your posting limit, maybe you were posting like 15 videos in a month, you now dropped it to like 5 videos, that place will also drop. The watch hours there will drop, but the ones in the end section will not drop because that one is the real one. So after everything I've listed now, you now found out that, oh, none of this actually applies to my channel. You are not guilty of any of these reasons that I've listed so far. Then this is the bonus point I told you about at the beginning of this video. What you can do is to contact YouTube support team. If you've checked everything, there's no limited videos, there's no visibility issues, no copyright problems, no deleted videos, no unlisted videos, then please contact YouTube support. It might be a glitch from YouTube. Do you understand? This is very important. Creators usually ignore this, but it's very important. YouTube is the better person to confirm what is wrong with your channel at that point. They will check your back-end issues, your eligibility issues, and all of these checks will just solve the problem for you. Do you understand? YouTube knows what is wrong with your channel and what is not wrong with your channel. So this is it. Watch hours dropping is just a normal thing. Doesn't mean you are failing. It's either one of these things, or like I said, you reach out to support. So with all of these things I've listed, now you know how to check your watch hours and know when your watch hours is dropping and why. Okay, and how to fix it. So if this video has helped you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and as well share so that others can actually learn from this video. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.